Good afternoon, friends. In last lecture, I have discussed the different staining techniques. In that, or for example, acid fast staining, then simple staining, then endospore staining, then capsule staining, and gram staining. Today, we will see the next point, that is biochemical test for bacteria. That first, that is IMVIC test, capital IMVIC, that is IMVIC test. That the triple sugar ion, that is capital TSI, it is for fermentation of sugar and sulfur reduction. So what is IMVIC? I for indole, it is for break down the amino acid tryptophan. Then methyl red for glucose oxidation. Then August proscarin, production of neutral end products. And citrate, it is for citrate fermentation. Next we will see the triple sugar ion test, that is capital TSI. This test is used to differentiate among the different groups of Enterobacteriaceae, which is based on their ability to ferment glucose, lactose, or sucrose. This test is also differentiate between the groups capable of reducing the sulfur to hydrogen sulfides, that is sodium thiosulfate to hydrogen sulfide. Yes, what are the results for triple sugar ion test? If the red slant or red bud, then it is no fermentation. If the red slant and yellow bud, then it is only there is fermentation of glucose. Here we can see the images with, it means observation for this test. Red slant with red bud, then it is no fermentation. If the red slant and yellow bud, then it is glucose fermentation. It means only glucose fermentation. Then yellow slant and yellow bud, then it is lactose or sucrose fermentation, or the lactose and sucrose fermentation. This is the result for TSI test. What are those results? First, the red slant or red bud, it shows no fermentation. Then red slant or yellow bud, then it shows only fermentation of glucose or only glucose fermentation. Then yellow slant or yellow buds, it shows lactose and sucrose fermentation, or the lactose or sucrose fermentation. Then we will see this test IMVIC. It is indole test, it is for break down the amino acid tryptophan. Then methyl red, it is for glucose oxidation. Then August proscarin test, production of neutral end products. And citrate for citrate fermentation. These are the tests which are used to differentiate the Enterobacteriaceae. This we will see one by one. First, indole test. And then first SIM, that is capital SIM, sulfide indole motility. This test identifies the bacteria capable of producing the indole. This test identifies the bacteria capable of producing indole. Then next, some bacteria are capable of what? Converting the tryptophan, that is in amino acid, converting the tryptophan to indole and pyruvic acid by using the enzyme tryptophanase. Here some bacteria having capable of converting what? Tryptophan, that is it is an amino acid, tryptophan to indole and pyruvic acid by the use of, or by using the enzyme, that is tryptophanase. This pyruvic acid can be converted to energy, or it is used to synthesize other compounds required by the cell. Yes, what I am saying, this pyruvic acid, it can be converted to energy, or it is used to synthesize other compounds required by the cell. Here we can see the structure of tryptophan, then indole ring, pyruvic acid and ammonia. Here we can see the reaction. Then what is procedure? Obtain 4 SIM deep tubes. SIM deep tube means SIM, it means sulfide indole motility deep tubes. Then inoculate by stab method with following organism, that is E. coli, then vulgaris, aerogenes and pneumoniae. These are the 4 organisms, that is coli, vulgaris, aerogenes and pneumoniae. Then what is observation or what is the result for indole test? If indole is produced upon addition of Kovacs reagent, if the indole is produced upon the addition of Kovacs reagent, 10 drops of this reagent, a cherry red band is formed on the surface of media. A cherry red bond is formed on the surface of media. Yes, what is observation? If the indole is produced after the addition of Kovacs reagent, after the addition of 10 drops of Kovacs reagent, a cherry red band is formed on the surface of the media. A cherry red band is formed on the surface of the media. The motility, if it is present, it can be seen as a growth of bacteria away from the stab line. The motility, if present, it can be seen as a growth of bacteria away from the stab line. Then the sulfur in the media, it may be reduced to hydrogen sulfide. It may be reduced to hydrogen sulfide, that is H2S, and this appear as a blackening with the media. Here we can see this test. What is the observation? Here we can see the positive and negative test. When it is positive, if the indole is produced after the addition of Kovacs reagent, it means the cherry red band is formed. Then cherry red bond is formed after on the surface. Then it is positive. Then and then only we can say that this test is positive. When we can say that it is positive, if the cherry red band is formed on the surface of the media. Here we can see the positive and negative. So this is the indole test. Next we will see next test, that is methyl red test. This test is used to determine the ability of bacteria. This test is used to determine the ability of bacteria to oxidize the glucose. This test is used to determine the ability of bacteria to oxidize the glucose and produce stable acid end products. This test is used to determine the ability of bacteria to oxidize the glucose and it produce stable acid end products. Then the methyl red is a pH indicator, that is it is red at pH less than 4.4 and it is yellow at pH greater than 6. Yes, what I am saying, the methyl red is a pH indicator. Yes, methyl red is a what? It is pH indicator, keep in mind. And this methyl red, it is red at pH less than 4.4. And this methyl red, it is yellow color, or it is yellow at pH what? pH greater than 6. The combination medium is used for this test. What is combination? That is MRVP, means methyl red August Proscore. Yes, what combination is used? That is MRVP. It means methyl red August Proscore. The acid production, it means the positive methyl red, and the end products of neutral pH, it is positive August Proscore. Yes, acid production, it is positive methyl red, and end product of neutral pH, it is positive August Proscore. Then it is used to determine the ability of bacteria to oxidize the glucose and produce stable acid end products. Then these are the results for this test or observation. A red color indicates that the glucose has been oxidized. Yes, what is observation? A red color indicates the glucose has been oxidized. It means this test, here we can see the test with color or positive or negative. Methyl lead is positive for this. If it is red color, then it is positive. It means it shows positive on the right test tube. Then methyl lead, it is negative on the left test tube. There is no formation of red color. These are the results of the observation for this test. If red color is present, then it is positive, and if it shows absence of red color, then this methyl lead test is negative. The next we will see the Ogers-Proskauer test. It is used to determine the ability of microbes. It is used to determine the ability of microbes to produce non-acidic or neutral end products. It is used to determine the ability of microbes to produce non-acidic or neutral end products. Keep in mind or remember that MRBP broth is a combined medium which is used for two tests, methyl lead test and as well as Ogers-Proskauer test. As I said earlier, it is the combination. Then in this there are three. You are already inoculated the three MRBP broth tubes for previous procedure. Then for methyl lead test with E. coli, E. pneumoniae and aerogenes. Next, in this test, to the allocates of each broth culture separated during the methyl lead test, add 10 drop of Barrett's reagent A, then shake, then 10 drop of Barrett's reagent B, then shake, then reshake the culture every 3 to 4 minutes. Yes, what I am saying, add the 10 drop of Barrett's reagent A, then shake, then add 10 drops of Barrett's reagent B, then it is shake, then reshake the culture every 3 to 4 minutes. It can take as long as 15 minutes for a color change to occur. Yes, it requires 15 minutes for their color change. Here we can see the observations or results. The presence of deep rose color after 15 minutes. As I said earlier, this test requires 15 minutes for their color change. It means if this test shows presence of deep rose color after 15 minutes, it indicates of non-acidic neutral metabolic end products and a positive VP test result. Yes, when it is positive, if deep rose red color is present after 15 minutes. Here we can see the result with color change. Next, citrate utilization test. This test is used to determine if an organism is. This test is utilized this test is used to determine if an organism is capable of fermenting the citrate and using that the citrate as a sole carbon source. Using that the citrate it's a sole carbon source. The ability of organism to utilize the citrate occurs via the enzyme that is citrase. Here we can see the reaction citrate in presence of citrase, oxaloacetic acid, then pyruvic acid, acetic acid and excess of carbon dioxide. Yes, here we can see the citrate, oxaloacetic acid, pyruvic acid, acetic acid and excess carbon dioxide. Then we'll see procedure. Obtain three Simon citrate agar slant. Then inoculate the slant using stab and streak method. Then inoculate following organisms: E. coli, pneumoniae and aerogenes. So what are the results for this test or what are the observation? The cinnamon citrate agar Simmons citrate agar utilizes the sodium citrate as its sole carbon source. Then bromothymol blue is included as a pH indicator and the medium is initially green. The organism is capable of using citrate as a carbon source, turn the media Prussian blue. Turns the media Prussian blue. Here in this test the bromothymol blue is included as a pH indicator. Keep in mind it is important. Yes, in this test, that is citrate test, the bromothymol blue is used as a, or it is included as a pH indicator. Then organism is capable of using citrate as a carbon source. It turns the media Prussian blue. These are the results. Here it is the summary of EMIC test. In EMIC test, which medium is used? That is SIM. In indole test, SIM agar is used and substrate it is tryptophan. Then in methyl lead test, there is use of MRVP broth medium and in substrate it is glucose. Then August Parker's Prokosker test, medium it is, yes, it is MRVP broth and substrate it is glucose. Then in citrate test, medium it is Simmons citrate and substrate, yes, in citrate test medium, which medium is used? That is Simmons citrate and substrate it is citrate. Then in indole test the Kovacs reagent used. Yes, what are the reagents are used in test? In this test, in indole test, there is use of Kovacs reagent. In methyl red test, there is use of methyl red. In methyl red test, there is use of methyl red. Then August Parker test, then there is use of Barrett reagent. As I said earlier in procedure, Barrett's reagent. And citrate test, bromothymol blue, it acts as a indicator. Then we will see the starch hydrolysis test. Starch plus iodine, it gives starch iodine complex. An ungraded starch, it reacts with iodine to form a dark blue starch iodine complex and that covers the entire agar. Yes, what I am saying, in starch hydrolysis test, the undegraded starch is react with iodine to form a dark blue starch. The ungraded starch is react with what? It is react with iodine to form what? It form a dark blue starch iodine complex and that covers the entire agar. If starch, that is, if as you know, the starch it is polysaccharide. If starch is broken down into glucose or or any other monosaccharides or disaccharides, the glucose will then react with iodine and form a clear zone surrounding straight line. Yes, what I am saying? As you know, the starch it is polysaccharide. And if it is broken down into glucose or any other monosaccharides or disaccharides, then this glucose will then react with iodine and it form a clear zone surrounding streak line. Then we will see oxidase test. We will see the principle of this test. It determines the presence of bacterial enzyme cytochrome oxidase. It determines the presence of bacterial enzymes cytochrome oxidase. The cytochromes are iron containing, yes, what are cytochromes? These are iron containing hemoproteins and in aerobic respiration they transfer the electron to oxygen in order to form a water. Yes, what are cytochromes? Cytochromes are iron containing hemoprotein and in aerobic respiration they transfer the electron to oxygen in order to form a water. The cytochrome oxidase test uses the certain reagent dyes such as paraphenyldimine dihydrochloride, paraphenyldimine dihydrochloride, that substitute for a oxygen as an artificial electron acceptor. Yes, it is artificial electron acceptor. In the reduced state, the dye is colorless. However, the presence of cytochrome oxidase and atmospheric oxygen. Yes, what I am saying, in the reduced state, the dye is colorless, and however, in reduced state, the dye is colorless, and however, the presence of cytochrome oxidase and atmospheric oxygen, the paraphenyldimine dihydrochloric acid is oxidized, forming a endophenol blue. It is oxidized and form a endophenol blue. Then oxidizing agents, 1% Covax reagent. It is called as tetramethyl paraphenyldimide dihydrochloride. Then next, 1% Gordon's and McLeod's reagent. It is dimethyl paraphenyldimide dihydrochloride. Then next, modified oxidase test. It contains 6% TMPD reagent in dimethyl sulfoxide, and it is used for differentiating the micrococci species from Staphylococci. It is used for differentiating the micrococci species from Staphylococci species. Then quality control, it is positive for aerogenos and it is negative for E. coli. Yes, it is positive for Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Yes, it is positive for Pseudomonas aeruginosa and it is negative for Escherichia coli. So this is all about the Emivik test. So what is Emivik test? Yes, what is Emivik test? It is Endol methyl red August Proskar citrate test. Yes, what is Emivik test? It is Endol, I for Endol, M for methyl red, then V for August Proskar, and C for citrate test. Yes, I will stop here.